the search group created here. Click on this icon, select Add Item. Then you will import these parameters. First is the keywords that you want the software to search on Bing. For example, I will enter healthy life. When you search this keyword on Bing, you enter the text that appear with your website into the text to click section. For example, when I search healthy life on Bing like this, and this is the website that I want to increase traffic, I will copy this text and paste it into text to click section. Remember that this text to click must be the only one that displays on the screen when you search for this keyword. You can see here no website display this text to. Next, link 1, link 2, and link 3 are internal links. For example, this is the website that I want to increase traffic. Then this is an internal link. Paste it into link 1, link 2, and link 3 section. Then you click OK. You can see all parameter has been imported here. Another way for you to import data is create a text file to save these data. Then you enter these parameters. First is text to click on website. Then comma keyword. These parameters will be separated by comma. Next, with link 1, link 2, and link 3, remember to put this link into double quotation mark. You can see comma and then link 1, comma link 2, and then comma link 3. Similarly, you can enter thousands of units of data here. Then click to save. On this database manager table, click on Convert, select Import CSV, click on this icon, and then select the created text file of data. Then the imported group will be named as CSV. You can click on this icon to change the group name for easily manage it. Then you close the dialog box. At input section, select the group of data that you want to run. In case you select no and click internal link here, you do not need to set up these two sections. And when you import data, you need to import the website or text to click and keyword section here. You do not need to import link 1, link 2, or link 3. Next, page limit section. If you put 10 here, if the bot cannot find out this text to click on the first page when it searches for this keyword on Bing, it will continue to find this text on the second page and then the third page till the 10th page. Finally, you click OK. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software search and then click on your website as well as the internal links. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to use our BingSeo tool to rank your website on top Bing search. You can visit Q&Abot.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.